Out on the open trail in the 1800s, a cowboy's entire kitchen had to fit on a horse. No non-stick pans, no cast iron skillets, just raw fire, dusty boots, and hunger. These cowboys rode hard, slept rough, and cooked with whatever they had, or whatever they could find. So how did they manage to eat hot meals? Without pans, you improvise. That was the law of the trail. Cowboys cooked bacon on flat rocks, heated right in the coals. Tin cans? Those became coffee pots, stew pans, even bean boilers. And when there weren't cans, you just dug a hole, filled it with embers, and slow-cooked your supper underground. Forget kitchens, they had a fire, a knife, and grit. Coffee, boiled in a discarded can, sometimes with crushed eggshells to settle the grounds. Beans, soaked and wrapped in wet cloth, then buried in embers for hours. Bacon, laid across hot stones, flipped with a pocket knife. Hardtack, hammered into crumbs, fried in leftover grease. Biscuits, mixed by hand, using flour, animal fat, and water. Baked right in the ashes. Gritty? Definitely, but it worked, and it kept him going. A cowboy's tools weren't fancy, they were whatever he had. A branding iron became a grill. A knife? Your chef's best friend. A tin can? As good as a pot if you're not picky. Grease from bacon was stored in a little leather pouch or empty tobacco tin, precious for cooking. Sometimes they'd find an old horseshoe and use that to prop up meat over the flame. These weren't hacks. This was survival with style. Every meal was a gamble. The wind could blow out your fire, rain could soak your beans, or your bacon might slide right off the rock and into the dust. But day after day, they made it work. Because the cowboy way wasn't about comfort. It was about making the wild land work for you. One hot cup of fire-brewed coffee at a time. Like learning forgotten survival tricks like this? Hit subscribe and saddle up. More frontier secrets coming soon.